Wrist-worn CD gun firing discs at 33 miles per hour. Unbelievable tech. Imagine a wrist-mounted gadget that packs a punch, literally. A talented mechanical engineering student named Aaed Musa has cooked up a crazy device, a weaponized CD blaster that straps onto your wrist and fires discs at an astonishing 33 miles per hour. And it's not just for show, this contraption can slice up fruit with surprising precision. Powered by drone motors, this innovative shooter uses dual flywheels, gyroscopic mechanics, and even Barbie-themed test rigs to perfect its aim. The entire setup comes with a 25-disc magazine, allowing it to unleash up to 5 CDs per second. Yep, you read that right, 5 discs shot out in just 1 second. Curious? You can see this wild creation in action below. Whether you're into gadgets, crazy experiments, or just love cool tech, this wrist-mounted weaponized CD blaster might be one of the most bizarre and fascinating toys you've ever seen.